All right. Well, he's Andy over here trying to get us to log into his team viewer so we can look at his logs while we're trying to pull a freaking motor out of my car. Multitasking over here so, for those people that wanted to see Andy on a channel, this is all you get this is what I can tolerate at this moment. It's just a simple phone call on speakerphone. So. All right, jack this thing up. Let's get it out of the freaking car. Let it clear. We're gonna have to wait.
I'm gonna try to turn it this way.
This way, come this way, come this way.
This way?
You're gonna have to jack it up more though, so we can clear the headlight, and then we can pull it out. I'll swing it over once you clear it.
Two wooden blocks. You can put it on the front.
Yeah, that's
right there.
Yeah. Okay, listen. Drop it very gently.
with this?
Yes.
With this right here. Look. This is how we want you to drop it. This thing right here.
Yes, use that, please. Remember the last time that I worked this, I almost killed Andy, if you remember. So a lot of dangerous situations later.
I almost died.
Yes, we almost killed.
Andy almost died. This is more important than Andy.
I want to ask Andy if this is hit. What is this? Like, what is this for right here? Like this part. Like, I don't get it. Ready? Is it this way, right?
Which way? Yeah. Very. Oh my God. It's only my life that you're.
There you go.
Oh, thank God.
Gotta be gentle. Piece of wood block is over there on the other side.
Alright, I'll grab it in a minute.
I'll slow it down too. Ready?
Yep. Hang on. Some things are more important than your rat rod. You already buying me a new one anyways.
Ooh. Ready?
Go ahead.
Put it more.
Ready?
There. You're good. Yeah, at least he's stuck on this. That would be a lot easier to give up.
Yeah,
Oh, the only thing we didn't break
that stuff's coming off with my fingers. I still gotta take the trans out. Actually, if I could find a way to hold the trans up, we really don't have to take it out. No, we gotta take it out because it's gonna be a pain in the ass to put the motor in. It was last time.
To put it back in?
Yeah, remember last time?
Yes.
We ended up taking the trans out.
And I wish it could be so easy, like, you got a front quick removal because, like, especially if you stand that mid plate, like you said, just.
Yeah, exactly. No scarring. See that? None. None. Nice and smooth. Hold it. Got it.
Oh.
I literally contribute a lot of this year's success to these lifters. It was the one big key change on this motor. Nothing else changed that really allowed us to run right all year, you know? Last year, that's all we were doing is just eating lifters. Eating lifters. Eating lifters as much as probably you eat sunflower seeds.
Yeah. LS7 lifters weren't meant for like 8,000 RPM.
30 pounds of boost.
Yeah. 30 pounds boost, yeah.
7,400 RPM.
Yeah, 7,400 RPM. You can find the limits.
Yeah, so these Johnson link bar lifters.
Oh, you didn't show them this side, did you? Not yet. Show them this side.
Oh yeah, huh?
Yeah.
Throw that extra quart of oil in there. Yeah, so you can see the motor looks spectacular. 3 out of the 4 holes there. The other side, I would call that mint.
Yeah. Shout out to American Speed Shop.
Yep. Big shout out to our boys at American Speed Shop because the motor looks super great, and I wouldn't say we leaned on it, but we definitely pushed it. It wasn't, you know, we didn't baby it.
Yeah,
that's for sure.
This year, then.
Yeah, we're definitely beating on it this year for sure. So that looks pretty good. All 4 cylinders on this side. We just have that one little guy that just was not agreeing with the rest of them. I'm kind of proud of how clean of a job we're doing versus last time we were in here.
We learned.
You're right, it's the same way, it's not like we're going racing tomorrow.
This is true.
Apparently my head's too big.
Ready?
Yeah.
You got it, Captain.
Oh, let's hang it up. Oh, yeah. Please take your sweet time. It's not breaking my neck.
Stop moving it.
I can't help. That's gravity.
It's so greasy.
It's gravity.
That's what, there you go. What color is it?
Oh yeah, no color. That's cool. It's on the pump.
Oh yeah, and we're both wrong. It's a black. I was about to call you a little bitch. There you go.
Spinning washers.
Yep, sure is, buddy.
All of them.
Yep.
Yeah, I thought so. Put this on. Got it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, there we go.
You got it?
Yeah. One more. One rod bolt. Look at that fancy rod bolt. Let me tell you a story about these rod bolts.
Oh,
if they ever pitch against the crank in the block, it will lock the motor up. It will not push or brake or anything. Ask me how I know.
Not even the force of an LS will do it. Push it on the rod? On the rod side? There you go. Okay, close your eyes. But you can though. Who makes these? Is these diamond pistons or what?
Wiseco.
Wiseco. Damn boy, that rod. That ultra beam. Damn.
Look at that.
Here's a secret. We really had an LS1 in here. This ain't no 427. We were just messing with y'all this whole time. There's an LS1 in here.
See that?
LS1. We need to put like LS Juan.
Yeah, right? That wall is pretty nice, bro.
It looks good to me, man.
It's just got this right here on the, like right on the edge.
I'm gonna send him a picture of the piston.
Yeah. Survey says repair the cylinder heads, get the motor refreshed, right? That's all we really need is just a refresher.
Yeah,
right?
that's all we really need.
And get it back together.
We'll see what we need to do.
Yeah, we need to see what we can do about getting this back as ASAP because we have the Van Voorhis flashlight shootout. I will have you know, just so you know, I've been threatened. I wasn't sure how to take that. Like that caught me off guard. I was like, oh, okay.
Not really happy with it. Be on your car, so.
So that's the thing. This is the reality of the situation. But it's not horrible.
Nah, man.
We'll fix it.
Decking it or reassembling it.
Yeah.
They say that piston's okay.
Get it right.
Good, yeah. Good.
It seems like that's going to be the major part of the whole repair right there.
Yes, but
Yeah, the rest is just parts. Here's, by the way, the list of parts that we have going on so far.
and just a bunch of work to put it back together.
Yeah. I had a fan comment in one of my last videos.
What do you say?
They're like, man, I don't see why this is going to take too long. So here's the idea, is what they said. Have your wife take it to the machine shop. Put it all back together while the family cheers you on the entire time.
Oh, yeah.
So he said, see, don't let the Holiday impede your goals. Everyone knows cars are way more important than anything else. Oh, big shout out to Lucky Goose. That comment definitely made my day. And you're the reason why this motor's apart right now. That's it.
That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Until next time.
Until next time.